Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll create React.js project. Go to the folder location where you want to create our new application. Copy this location. Go to the Node.js command prompt. Here, let's navigate to the folder location. Then paste it. Then press enter. Now we'll create our new app by using this command npx create react app. Then our application name will be student app. Then press enter. It will take few minutes to create our new project. See here we have the folder name student app that we have created now. Let's navigate to this folder student app. Then type code space dot. It will open up our project in Visual Studio Code Editor. See here, this is how our project looks like. This is our project structure. Expand this node modules folder. It contains all the dependencies that we needed to create our project. Then we have package.json, which contains all the details of dependencies that required for this application. Then we have index.html. See here. Here we have the div root. This will render as starting page of this project. Next we have src folder. Inside this we have app.js. It is a component. See here we have the HTML content. If we run this application, we can see these contents in first page. Then we have index.js. Here we are rendering the app component and injecting to root. We can see this root in index.html, I think. Yes, here we are rendering the root. If you want to change anything, you can change here in app.js component. I don't modify anything now. Let's keep as it is. Run this app using npm start command. It will open our project in default browser. It will take few seconds. See here, this is our front page of this application. These contents are in app.js component. Okay, go back to Visual Studio Code Editor. See here, these are the contents displayed here. Okay, now I am going to modify this. Instead of this, I put h2 tag inside this hello world. Okay, now save this. No need to recompile. npm will recompile and update the browser. Here, okay. Now save this again. Go back to the browser. See here we have the output. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video.